Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of wanting more but never quite achieving it? Maybe you dream of a successful career, a peaceful home life, or better health. But no matter what you do, it never seems to come to fruition. The good news is that you have the power to make your dreams a reality through the power of manifestation. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires into reality through the power of your thoughts and beliefs. It may sound simple, but it requires a clear and focused mind, a positive attitude, and consistent action towards your goals. The first step to manifesting your dreams is to get clear on what you want. Take some time to sit down and write out your goals in detail. Visualize yourself already having achieved them, and feel the emotions of joy and gratitude that come with that success. The second step is to believe that you can achieve your goals. This requires letting go of any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Surround yourself with positive influences and affirmations that support your vision. The third step is to take action towards your goals. This means taking consistent and purposeful action towards your dreams, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. Each step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Remember that manifesting your dreams takes time and effort. It's important to stay patient and keep a positive outlook, even in the face of setbacks or obstacles.